Alrighty, welcome back. A little chilly out here today. Got the heat off. Got the motorcycle. I got the Vision all put back together last night, about 10 o'clock. So here's the moment of truth. I wanted to weigh it. That's the reason I took the thing apart in the first place. I got did a lot of different stuff to it. Here, let's just take a look at the bike. So there we go. We got her all done. So the main things I wanted to get done was to put the different rims on there. These are black cast aluminum, and I powder coated them black. There's the original tires that I had on the bike when I first weighed it. So they're same tires, but I did, obviously I've got TireStickers.com tire stickers on there. I really like the looks of the raised white letters on there. And then I wanted to have the exhaust Cerakoted, which I got that done too. Probably can't see much of anything in here, it's too dark. But anyway, it's Cerakoted black. The idea behind that is to keep the temperatures down on my legs in the summertime. But in the process of changing over the wheels and Cerakoting the exhaust, I did a few other things. Simple things. I wanted to detune it a little bit. I didn't want to, I needed to. The timing wheel, got the adjustable Lloyd's timing wheel in here. And it was set at 4 degrees, and at 4 degrees, it has a tendency to ping when it gets 85, 90, 95 degrees out there. So I backed it down to 2 degrees, which I've had luck with 2 degrees in the past. And I'll stick with that until I can get the, I think it's called the Maximus controller, something like that. And then you get rid of that timing wheel, and the controller will take over the timing of the ignition and the camshaft and whatever that thing does down there. Anyway, I retarded that a little bit. On my degree wheel. Let's see, what else did I do? Of course, I changed the oil. When you take the exhaust off, you got to pull the oil filter off to get the exhaust off. So I figured, well, I got the oil, even though the oil was only like 400 miles old, take the oil filter off and just change oil, just drain the oil, put new oil in it. Other than that, let's see, what else did I do? I put a bus bar in there, so now I run heated gear on my heated coat, heated gloves, that kind of stuff. So now I can plug that into my bike. So I got a bus bar for that. I got a bus bar for my auxiliary lights as well. Let me show you that. While we're up here, supposed to be a radio in here. I took the radio out. I never turn my radio on. So I took the radio out, took the speakers out. I still got them, so I can put them back in if I want to. So this here is just a vinyl cover. A vinyl, ordered some, graphics vinyl, and then I just lay that over the top. You can still see the inlay of where the original radio was at, but it's only I'm going to be able to tell. Oh, then back here, got my lay down license plate frame with my brake lights and the backup lights, or the parking lights. So now I got some brake lights on there. A little bit more brake light. Can't even point it out the back. I'll show you my lights that I got. And I've had these for years, so these are nothing new at all. I just don't use them very often. Usually when I lived in Iowa, I go to bike night. I'd turn these on when it's sitting outside while we go inside to eat. All sorts of different colors and stuff that I could use on here. I don't even know how the dang remote works anymore. And then I don't have my lighted badge. I don't have that lighted up right now. I needed to get a new switch for it. So anyway, I got a switch so my badge will light up too as well. At any time, I guess. All I have to do is just come up here, flip the switch on, and my badges are lit up all the time. And then I built a new battery box for it. I got the lithium battery in there. Hard to tell, but new battery box in there. Yeah, I did quite a few little things here and there. I just don't remember what they all were right now. But anyway, got it done. So now the next big thing is the reason I wanted to take this thing apart in the first place was to weigh it. I want to see what this thing weighs. It weighed 852 pounds to start with. I haven't ridden it or anything. I backed it off the stand up there in the other room and brought it back here. And I'm gonna have to start it up though, just to put it up on the scales here, drive it up on the scales. Start it up, get it up there, which is not gonna change the weight of it at all. But we'll see what this thing weighs. Here we go. All right, got my scales all zeroed out. Let's get this thing driven up there. We'll see how well this works. Usually when I drive this up there, everything slides ahead. I don't have enough traction on the floor to hold everything in place, so we'll see how this goes. I'm expecting failure for the first couple of times. There we go, that was easy. Not a chance. I was hoping to get under 820 pounds. I started at 852, hoping to get under 820, shooting for 817. That's what I was shooting for, was 817 pounds. Here's what I got. 815 pounds. So, yeah, 15, 25, 35, 45, so 37 pounds lighter. That's quite a bit. So I'm 37 pounds in gas. That's a full tank of gas. 36 pounds is 6 gallons of gas. So that's the difference between riding with a full tank and an empty tank, which I can definitely feel the difference when it comes to that. So nice, 815 pounds. And anyway, that was a pretty good diet. So I'm excited to take it out on the road and see how it handles. Got to break in the new brakes. Got new EBC brakes all the way around, so I'm supposed to take it easy on them things for the first 400 or 500 miles, something like that, and then you can start getting on them a little bit more. And I'm just looking forward to get out and getting some wind therapy. Anyway, that's all I got. Make sure you like the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, we'll catch up to you later.